In this video, I'll compare Beehiiv versus Substack versus Kit and tell you which of these tools may be best for you and your needs. So go for what exactly they do, who they're for, and ultimately which one I would pick. So I'll make it as clear and concise as possible. So first of all, with all of them you can create newsletters, but they have some pretty big differences. So Beehiiv and Kit are kind of similar, but Substack is quite different because it also has a social media where people can discover your newsletter. Now in terms of monetization, Beehiiv is in my opinion the most advanced with their ad network, paid subscriptions, boosts, direct sponsorships, and referral programs. Now on top of that, of course, you can also make your newsletter paid. And again, Kit and Beehiiv are pretty similar, but in my opinion, Beehiiv out of these two is the better platform with more advanced analytics and more advanced customization, so you can really make it look however you want. But Kit does have the best free plan for the amount of subscribers that you can get, because with Kit you can get up to 10,000 subscribers and you can already make your newsletter paid, whereas with Beehiiv, that is a feature that is locked behind one of their paid plans. Now Substack is free to publish on, but they take 10% on top of payment processing fees. So who should pick Beehiiv, who should pick Substack, and who should pick Kit? I would pick Beehiiv if you want the most advanced monetization, so again the paid subscriptions, their ad network and referrals, as well as if you need the best growth tools such as A/B testing and custom domains. And I forgot to mention, with Beehiiv you can also create your own website. Then I would go with Substack if you prefer a built-in audience, or at least a built-in way of getting an audience, as well as if you want simplicity, but the customization is by far the lowest on Substack. And also if you don't need deep analytics or customization, then Substack may be best for you. Then finally, I would only go with Kit if you just want an AI-powered writing help for free and you don't want to spend any money on the platform you use, but you do want to make a paid newsletter without many other advanced features. So the best tools out of these for most people are going to be either Beehiiv or Substack, and Beehiiv in my opinion for if you are really serious about creating a newsletter business, and Substack for if you want the easiest way to get subscribers and get an audience. Now I will leave links to Beehiiv and Kit down in the description, so for most people I would recommend starting with Beehiiv, and you will probably like it. It's used by some of the largest newsletters in the world. You can see some of the businesses that use it right here. And through the link in the description to Beehiiv, you will get a 30-day free trial, and then also at checkout, if you enter code Lawson, which you can see right here, you will get 20% off. So if you want to get that, you can sign up to Beehiiv through the link in the description. So that concludes this comparison of Beehiiv versus Substack versus Kit. If this comparison was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.